What's up, everybody? Florida Guardian coming to you from, this is considered unincorporated Miami-Dade. As soon as I pulled up about a block away from here, I smelled the burnt. So pretty much this Delicias de España, it's like a Spanish restaurant slash, you know, market. It caught on fire. So just gathering a little bit of footage here with the city of South Miami. Man, I don't know why my camera jumps like that, but it does. Like it zooms in and out, but whatever. Wow. This place must have really been on fire. We got everything tore down inside. So yeah. Excuse me? And who are you?
I don't need to tell you who I am.
So why are you telling me where I can and cannot go through?
Because it's private property. Do you want me to tell the cops?
Excuse me?
Do you want me to tell the cops?
You can tell them whatever you want, man.
Okay, well, don't go
you have
to
no
the
authority.
alleyway.
You have no authority over me.
I don't have any authority.
All right, so kick rocks,
so
buddy.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah? Yeah, kick rocks, bro.
I don't know what that means, buddy.
Yeah? Well, you're gonna learn.
Learn what?
So this guy's telling me where I can and cannot go through. Who the hell does he think he is?
I get it that he's just recording, but when he's recording and going through the alleyway to take a, I get he can do whatever he wants here, but when he's in the alleyway, that's private property.
Officer, can you let him know I have the right to walk wherever is public access?
It's not public. It's private property, sir. It's private property, okay?
What?
Let me ask you a question. What's going on?
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Cordovan, ID 391.
Okay.
Are you going to answer my question?
I don't know. Answer questions.
Okay, listen. Stop bothering him.
I'm not bothering him. He approached me. He approached me, ma'am. I have it all on film. He approached me telling me where I can and cannot go.
Whatever you want to record, as long as you don't go inside the table.
Don't listen. You don't have to tell me. I know the laws, okay?
All right.
You should have told him that I have the right to film wherever I have public access. Okay?
Have a nice day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You do as well. Stay safe. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Mace.
That's how you treat the public? You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
I don't care.
This guy had an attitude with me since I got here because I wouldn't answer him why I'm filming. So he's telling me I can't walk in the alley. Obviously, there is utility poles, so I have access to this. I'm a private journalist gathering content for a story.
¿Cuál es la compañía?
I'm a private journalist gathering content for a story I'm working on.
Está cerrado todo.
Esto es público, porque hay teléfono. There's public poles I could walk through here. Sí, yo hago lo que yo quiero. Tú no me dices lo que yo puedo ni puedo hacer.
Tú estás buscando lío, ¿verdad?
Tú eres el que está buscando lío. Porque si no quieres problemas, ¿por qué tú vienes al que está grabando? Why do you approach the man that's recording?
Señora, no estoy contigo. Yo no te conozco, no sé qué puta estás hablando. Y no entre ahí porque está cerrado.
Sí, ¿tú le hablas a tu mamá así? ¿Eh?
Papi,
Yo no soy tu papi.
no me menciones mi madre.
Yo no soy, bueno, no me digas malas
No
palabras.
me menciones a mi madre.
Tenga buen día tú y tu mamá.
Papá, no me menciones a mi mamá.
Tenga buen día tú y tu mamá.
Papá, no me menciones a mi
No
mamá.
me toque.
Papá, no me menciones a mi
He's
mamá.
threatening me with a gun.
Dije que no me
He's
menciones a mi
threat-
mamá. Papá, no me menciones a mi